Let's learn how to carve a ski in just one run.
Your ski has a shape to it. It's wide here, it's narrow there, and it's wide here. Take your ski, tip it, it'll make a turn like that without you doing anything.
The ski will arc in that red curve without any effort. Let's dive into where pressure is on the feet to make a carve turn. The red line indicates the area of the foot where pressure is applied. We are not skidding the ski. Standing perpendicular to the fall line on a gentle slope, my outside ski is slightly ahead of my inside ski. I can feel more pressure on the right foot. My hips are aligned toward the apex of the turn down the hill. I'm starting a left turn by tipping my skis. My edges continue tipping and the pressure on the outside ski is increasing as shown on the bold red line. Because of side cut and edge pressure, my skis are turning. Halfway through the turn, my hips and feet are going down the fall line. There is maximum pressure on the outside ski indicated by the red line. My skis and hips are pointing down the fall line. Past the apex of the turn, I am reducing pressure to the outside ski. Pressure and edge angles are starting to reduce and starting to get ready for the next turn. Pressure is increasing on the inside ski as my inside leg extends. My inside ski is starting to lead and my hips are starting to line up for the next turn. The reduction of pressure and edge continues as you can see the two red lines. My skis are arcing a turn without my help. It's called ski dynamics. At this point, I have equalized pressure on both skis and my skis are flat on the snow. Let's look at how this plays out in a real turn. I begin tipping my skis, inclining to the inside of the turn and softening my inside leg, the old downhill leg. This adds pressure to the outside ski as I let the ski do the turning, not me. My hips keep moving inside the turn and I reach the apex. Now I start backing off pressure and edge to the outside ski and begin equalizing both skis to get ready for the next turn. I begin realigning my hips to the next turn. Let's work on a simple drill you want to master before attempting your first carve turn. Let's learn how to do a J turn. Pressure the outside ski and make a track across the hill, leaving a line in the snow like an ice skate. As you go across the hill and add more pressure to the outside ski, it will travel in an arc uphill and look like a J. Let's test it. On a gentle slope, point your skis downhill. Don't try to turn them. Instead, just tip them, and as you start moving, increase the amount you're tipping the skis. They will make a giant arc with two clean lines in the snow like ice skates. I've shown lots of clients this and it works. The trick is don't do anything to turn. The ski will do it for you. Good luck and email me if you'd like me to look at your skiing and give you an analysis. Thank you.